Now let us come to Europe. Europe is considered to be the wealthiest and richest continent. However, there are poor regions, especially in the eastern parts of the continent too. This means yes, Europe is. If you go back to your history classes or all that, you will notice that Vasco da Gama, Columbus who discovered uh, United States of America, Vasco da Gama found sea route to India. They were all from Europe. And why am I saying this? This is because that at that particular time, 600, 700 years before, 7 centuries before, there was no technology. So you can imagine the advancement. Apart from all the world, only people from Europe were able to find sea routes. An example of that is Vasco da Gama and Columbus, and you can find and you can just conclude that they were scientifically very advanced. So this is just an example. Europe has housed the two smallest countries in the world, Vatican City, which is located inside Rome, Italy, Monaco, which is bordered on three sides by France. And there was a list. If you go on Google and find out, or any searching website, and find out 10 smallest countries and in which continent they lie, and you will come to know that out of the 10 countries, 5 are in the Europe. The most languages are spoken in Asia, over 2300. However, most of these languages are spoken only by small group of peoples. 2000 languages of the world, 7000 languages are spoken by less than 1000 people. This tells us that there are languages which are spoken by just a small group of people. Chinese is the language with most native speakers, with almost 1.4 billion people speaking it. English, however, is spoken by people in more than 100 countries worldwide, and North America has the largest number of people who speak English either as the first language or as their second language fluently. South America is the continent of many natural superlatives. The longest mountain range, Andes, it is in the South America. Highest waterfall, Angel Fall, and the driest place on the earth, Atacama Desert in Chile. Asia houses some of the richest nations in the world. The tiny country Qatar on the Arabian Peninsula is one of the richest nations in the world due to income from oil exploration and the petroleum industry. Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Bahrain are also among richest countries in the world due to their Middle East, which we say. Antarctica is the smallest continent by population numbers. This means that huge continent is only sparsely populated. On Antarctica, there are only research stations for scientists and no permanent settlement. Antarctica is covered almost completely by ice. 90% of the planet ice is located on this continent, which makes it up to 60 to 70% of the world's freshwater supply.